Hello my good friends, welcome back to Pinch's class. I am back with another sound, and I have sound v, sound v, v. Now sound v comes from letter V. Yes, it comes from letter V. So let's look at the blends. We have there, they, the, vi, vai, vo, vo, va, and vu. Yes. Now let's go to the word formation. Still, I want you to remember that some sounds are silent in some words. Yes. Let's start with the first one. There, there, a van. Yes, a van. Then the next one, stove, and the last sound is silent. So we have stove, stove, a stove. And then the next one, veg. Then the next sound is silent, and the last sound is also silent. So we say vegetable, vegetable, vegetable. Yes, vegetable. And then we go to the next one, vest, 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 a vest. Yes, a vest which we put on. And our last word for today is going to be violin, violin, a violin. Yes, a violin. Now let's go to the sentences. A carrot is a vegetable. A carrot is a vegetable. Yes, a carrot is a vegetable. Then the next one, I have a red vest. You have a red vest? I have a red vest. And the last one, Pinchu plays a violin. Pinchu plays a violin. Yes. And that's it for today, my friends. I hope to see you in our next video.